said to make a heart better. If only I've known you ever strong to weather the sun.
Hello mga ka-tricks, welcome back to yung YouTube channel. And for today's video mga ka-tricks, welcome back again kasi alright, tagal kong hindi gumawa ng reaction video mga ka-tricks, almost 8 or 10 days because ang dami kong ginagawa, ang dami kong pinasis na mga dokumento mga ka-tricks para lang sa aking YouTube or saka sa aking mga gawain sa trabaho mga ka-tricks. And for today's video, alright, no, hindi ko na malaya na ngayong araw na to sa Sabado, alright, no, grand finals wala kanina ng Season 9 ng Tao ng Tanghal mga ka-tricks. And let's watch this together with the Kint. Nakalimutan ko yung ulit na Kint eh. Sorry. Manood na tayo. Watch this.
You hurt under the surface like troubled water, running cold. Well, time can heal, but this won't.
Grabe yung emotion niya mga ka-tricks, no? First and foremost mga ka-tricks, ang unang napansin ko sa kanya yung kanyang facial reaction. Paano niya ibubuhos, right? Paano niya gagawin sa puntong ito, right? I love that tikit-tikit or ganun siya. Alright, continue tayo.
I fell by the wayside like everyone else. I hate you, but I was just kidding myself. Or every moment I start to replace. You started to call, I hear the words that I
On that part mga ka-tricks na Choi, parang hindi ko naintindihan yung lyrics, alright? Kasi hindi ko pa naman ito na kanta, yung kantang ito, no? So, Before You Go, ang title pa nito mga ka-tricks, alright? And then, yun nga. Doon sa part na yun, hindi ko sa naintindihan, but I know na parang part siya ng song, alright?
need to say. You hurt under the surface like troubled water running cold. Well, time can heal, but
Yung emotion talaga mga ka-tricks, no? Ang nadala sa part na to, alright? I love that.
this won't. So before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? Oh,
Alam niyo mga ka-tricks, meron akong napansin, alright? Alam ko si Juma Daliday sa kabilang ganto. And then, ito si Kent, kapamilya, alright? But, the way he sing, and Juma Daliday, I think pareho sila ng type of song, pareho sila ng, kumbaga, estilo, no? Magkaiba nga lang ng genre mga ka-tricks pagdating sa boses, alright? At pareho yung taste nila pagdating sa kanta. It's simple but sure ball mga ka-tricks.
only I've known you have a storm to weather the storm. Before you go, was there something I could have said to make it all stop hurting?
At ang linaw ng boses na sa part na yun na, Before you go. Ganun.
Heals me how your mind can make you feel so worthless. So before you go,
Before you go. Gusto ko yun. Alright mga ka-tricks. Gusto ko. At pagdating sa kantahan, alright, magkaiba nga talaga ng genre. I was not comparing my Jong. Pareho kasi sila ng taste eh. Pagdating sa pilihan ng song. Pero magkaiba sila ng genre. And sa arrangement naman, magkaiba din. Alright. Oh. Ang galing. Alright.
was never the right time. Whenever you called, when little by little till there was nothing at all. Or every moment start
Ang galing mga ka-tricks. May giggle factor siya. Alright. Oh, eager.
to replace. When all I can think about is see the look in your face that you were under the surface.
I love that energy. power mga ka-church. Alright, ang galing. Galing niya mag-deliver, no? Yung strong ng boses na sa part na to mga ka-church. Oh, love that.
Like trouble water on it goes. Well, time can heal, but this world. So, before you go, was there something I could have said to
Grabe siya. Alright, binuhos talaga niya yung ang kanyang emotion pagdating sa kanta mga ka-church. Dinidedicate niya yung puso niya pagdating dito sa part na to mga ka-church. Alam ko na this competition is competition mga ka-church. Pagdating naman sa friend, parang ganon na lahat may relationship na may mga nabuo ng pagkakaibigan mga ka-church. Parang ano, no, mawawalan talaga yung friendship ng mga ka-church pagdating sa competition. Kasi bigayan na eh, no?
make your heart beat better? If only I'd known you had a storm to weather. So, before you go, would we be better off by now? If I let my walls come down, maybe I guess you'll never know. You know, you know.
Yun lang ang kakaiba sa kanya mga ka-church kasi yung song napakasimple pero ang dami niyang ginawa. Ang dami niyang timpla ng boses na pinakita. Tapos yung arreglo ng song. It's so nice. Hindi ganun ka yung binago yung song. But little bit na mga ka-church. Little bit na mga ka-church. And nagawa niya mga ka-church na kantahin. Alright? Na it's a simple love song. But yung soul niya mga ka-church, antot na dinididikit talaga niya.
Was there something I could have said to make a heart beat better? If only I'd known you I was strong to weather the sun. Before you go, something.
Ang ganda ng ng pagdaloy din sa taas. Grabe na tumbok niya mga ka-church. I love that.
Could have said to make it all stop hurting. Kills me on your mind to make it feel so worthless. So, would it be better off by now if I let my walls come down? Maybe I guess you never know. You know, you know. Before you go.
Alright, Kate Villalba mga ka-church. And doon sa part naman ng last part ng lyrics of song, gusto ko yung control niya doon at sobrang soft ng pagkamahinahon niya. Oo, ang ganda ng performance mga ka-church. And the way siya kumanta, doon yung iigit, no? Unang-una, yung song full of emotion, no? Na hindi nawala talaga mga ka-church. And alright, andin sa kalagitnaan, nandun na yung eager mga ka-church. And for the last part, I love the control, the way he sing, the soft song mga ka-church, the soft lyrics. I love that. Alright, so ang ganda ng performance mga ka-church. That's why, congratulations again. You got it. You win it. You made it. From the start, hindi ko sana nasubaybay mga ka-church eventually. First reaction ko sa kanya yung, nakalimutan ko yung song eh. Andun, hanapin nyo lang sa ko, sa reaction video ko mga ka-church. Alright, so yun na nga, yun yung first reaction ko. And hindi ko na nasubaybayan agad kasi mga ka-church, busy ang person, alright? Nung iyon lang tayo nakagawa ulit ng reaction. Inabangan ko ito mga ka-church ko, hindi ko namalayan na ngayon. Parang araw na ito, November 8, yung kanilang grand finals. Congratulations again. Alright, so this is me naman Mix TV mga ka-church. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, like and share po sa butong may atat ang kayan yung upload videos. Bye bye.